the airplane ride down the jetway with a grin. Take your seat and buckle in. A wind above sends cold air. It makes you blink and blow your hair. The tongues hoops it up. You won't be late. Time to push back from the gate. Ooh. The engines start one by one. Smoke my puff when this is done. Weird. On the wing, the flap slide down. They will help the plane get off the ground. The wheel bump and taxi out. Ground control choose your route. Throttle forward, engine roll. Down the runway, time to soar. Clunk, wheels up. Weird, flap up. Rattle, rattle, shake. There's bumpy air as you sink. See how the wings are made to bend. Drum, drum, drum. And engines hum throughout the flight. Never stopping day or night. The seatbelt side out goes, belt side goes out. Those argues.
Flight attendant
walked about. Oh no, you tipped your cup. That's okay. Just wipe it up. The lavatory latch can slide to make the side open. Occupied. Courage! Don't let the airplane toilet flush scare you with a noisy gush.
You remember? It's so noisy, right?
Yeah. Just push the button for some light, and you can read the book at night. Then the sun's back on. It's time to land. You'll get to hear more noise again. Run. Weird. Go back as you can. You're in flight. Cross this is an end. Wheel down. Erect. The wheel touch. You're on the ground. Next, the puller slow you down. Roll. Reversing helps the plane to slow to changing where the dust will go. The airplane rubble bell sometimes shakers. Lot of planes have many noise break. Flat up, dumpy dump. The wheel bump alone again as the airplane taxi. Click, clack, dump, dump. Sniffle, stump, swish. At the gate, you're almost done. People take their bags and run. Hey, that's not from our ride. It's Grandma waiting just inside. Hello, over here.
All done? Finish.